Furry, The Little Penguins That Could, written by Ann Yurchek, illustrated by Jody Culp. Better Endings, New Beginnings in Minneapolis, USA. Teaching about friendship, ability, and inclusion.
This is a all-new furry adventure.
Chapter 3, Stuffie Jobs. Hello again. Friends make learning in kindergarten fun, and some children have a hard time making friends. In the penguin kindergarten classroom, all the Stuffies are friends. Each Stuffie has a job that makes a difference to help the littles. Sometimes Stuffies team up. Sometimes we work alone. Each of us has gifts we give to the children. Pony and zebra look quite alike. They have the same shape body and the same shape head. They have beautiful hooves for feet and stickety-uppity ears. Ponies come in all sorts of colors and patches. Zebra comes from Africa with black and white stripes. Pony and zebra like to run and play outside. Pony is an excellent listener, so we know where to go. Zebra is our wild child. He runs like the wind and grazes on the plains. That's grass, not airplanes, just sand. We have dog and more dogs, puppy and poodle who thinks she is a child and not a canine. We have a large pack of dogs. Some have stickety-uppity ears like Pony and Zebra, and some have pointed noses and long ears. And some have smushed in noses with little ears. Some have short tails, and some have long tails. And some have no tails at all. Like the children, none are the same, but all are splendid. Some, of course, are big and some are little, but whatever size they are just right. Dogs are very honest and loyal. They like to learn and they always want to play. They love their families and they love the littles. There is chick and duck and goose and rooster and ostrich, big birds and little birds. Chick picks and pecks and packs up all the small drop pieces, while rooster tells us the day has begun and can be quite bossy. Goose likes to chase and duck follows. Ostrich buries her head to get away from problems. She struggles with the kindergartners and is always saying, "Oh dear, oh that is a worry, oh it's a pity, or it's a problem." You can give all your worries to Ostrich. She will hide them in the sand and you can find them later. They are the best of friends. Lamb and Lion often snuggle together. When Lion roars and reacts to something bothering him, Lamb is right there to soothe and calm him down. Lion has a big roar and he protects Lamb. We call him the king of the kindergarten, but factually, the penguins are in charge. And that's a penguin fact.
That's a penguin fact.
Elephant and tiger arrived from far off lands. Elephant came from the grasslands and watering holes of Africa. Tiger is just a big pussy cat, and he spent his early years in the forests of Asia before he lived in the zoo gift shop, before he moved into penguin kindergarten. Meet Bear and Rabbit. Rabbit is always busy jumping from place to place. Bear struggles patiently to settle down Rabbit. Thank goodness for Bear. Big old bumbling weighted bear rolls with life's troubles. Unless threatened, he is as sweet as honey. Rabbit, with his long, floppy, soft ears, jumps right in to soothe Bear when he is in a growly mood. Cuddled in their hovel of a hole, which is usually a bucket or a barrel or a quiet corner in the room, Rabbit snuggles Bear to sleep. Sometimes for so long, it's called hibernation. Bear feels much better. Cow and donkey and giraffe stepped right up to get attention. Giraffe has the biggest heart and is the tallest of all the animals. He also has a big blue tongue that he likes to show off. It is not polite to stick out to your tongue. He needs more manners. Donkey, his ornery old self, has the big job of protecting the stuffies. Cow? Cow is just cow. After all, you can't have a kindergarten in Wisconsin without a cow. Cow is the most valuable stuffy when you play farm. Cows just are. Pig, beaver, and fox are quite a trio, and they are witty and charming with keen senses of smell and humor. They love jokes, and they have lovely tails. Pig has a small, curly, springy tail, and that is not the water or the weather. Just say it. Fox's tail waves like a banner in the wind. Beaver's tail is slap happy. The funny thing about that is their tails do not tell their tales at all. Fox is shy and sneaky, and Pig is highly intelligent and quite clean. Beaver's always busy. Hedgehog, bat, and raccoon often hide. Hedgehog is usually curled up in a snuggly ball in the corner, but he unrolls to say hello. And bat and raccoon, my goodness, they are nocturnal, and that means they only come out at night. They play and get into trouble while the children are home sleeping. Last but not least, cat and mouse and kitten. We know how those three get along. Cat and mouse do not play well together. And kitten plays and gets into everything. Stuffy's never asked cat and mouse to teach the children how to share. Cat is not allowed to chase mouse. Kitten is not allowed to pester cat. Mouse is not allowed to tease kitten. Bullying and teasing are not allowed. The penguin kindergarten classroom rules are very important. Get along with everyone. Oh no! I just remembered owl and dinosaur. They say dinosaur is extinct. but she is very much alive in the penguin kindergarten. Owl, who is very wise, helps calm Dinosaur, who lost her baby teeth last week. Dinosaur was worried until Owl told her she would get new teeth very soon. Dinosaur may be a baby, but she is the oldest of the old from the Jurassic times. The children love adventures with Dinosaur and Owl. I can't forget Squirrel and Monkey. They love trees and drive penguins nuts. They make penguins feel overwhelmed. Squirrel creates quite a commotion in the classroom. He gathers and takes our pebbles to tease the penguins. He laughs loudly, hee, with a chitter chatter and scurries up and down and around and under and over tables and chairs and bookcases. Monkey is creative, and sometimes his monkey business gets him into too much trouble. He jumps in without thinking it through. Monkeys create chaos. Somehow, things always work out right. There are so many of us that I probably forgot somebody. It would be an accident if I left somebody out. I care about all my friends.
Where's the hippopotamus?
I don't know. Where is he?
Read